Go shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, it's not your birthday.
Happy birthday, Mikoy! Sana ingat ka lagi. And uwi ka na minsan. Miss ka na namin dito.
Happy birthday, Mikoy! Ingat kayo dyan palagi. Waiting pa rin kami kailan kayo babalik. Wish you all the best and good.
So, Mikoy, kamusta kayo dyan? Nika, just wanna say na happy birthday. We wish you well. Sana masaya kayo dyan sa Canada. Thank you.
Hi Mikoy, happy birthday. First of all, gusto ko pala kayong i-congratulate ni Nika kasi sobrang layo na ng narating nyo. Ang birthday wish ko is your safety and more fruitful years to come. Sana magkita na rin tayo as Banaran team. Reunion ganun. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mikoy! And advance happy holiday sa inyo ni Nika dyan.
Mag-ingat kayo palagi ni Nika dyan sa Canada. See you again soon!
Ako, wish ko sana nakakain ka ng sinigang dyan kasi sabi mo yun yung mamiss mo. Yun. The kids.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mikoy! God bless you! We miss you!
Bakasyon ka naman sa December.
Happy birthday, Mikoy!
Happy birthday, Kuya Mikoy!
I love you. Wala si Kuya. Kami lang dalawa. Si Daddy tulog na. God bless, Kuya. Ingat. Isa pa. One more. Great. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mikoy.
Happy birthday, Mikoy!
God bless. Ingat ko.
Ingat lagi. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hey, happy birthday, Kuya Mikoy. I wish nothing but the best sa'yo sa day mo. Ingat kayo dyan nila ate at ng mga kaibigan mo. And I wish nothing but the best sa'yo. And may God provide you with more opportunities. Keep you safe. At mga friends mo at sila ate dyan. And hopefully, magkita-kita tayo ulit here pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas. Bawi ako sa'yo. Ayun lang, happy birthday again and keep safe.
Mikoy, happy birthday from the Philippines to Canada. Ayun, anyway, lagi kayong mag-iingat dyan, Nika, tsaka enjoy kayo lagi dyan. So, alam ko hindi na tayo nakapag-update masyado, pero ayun, pwede ka pa rin naman mag-dyan. Ayun. Tapos, siguro, mag-ingat lang kayo dyan lagi. Tapos, God bless din lalo sa mga future endeavors nyo, no? Pareho, no? Tapos, ayun, stay healthy, tsaka stay happy kayong dalawa. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mikoy. Wish you all the blessings that you deserve. Enjoy your day. Tsaka ingat kayo palagi dyan ni Nika. Bye-bye.
Birthday, Mikoy! Wish you all the best and ingat kayo mga Nika dyan. Stay safe and see you soon.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mikoy. I hope okay lang kayo dyan sa Canada ni ate. I wish for more birthdays to come and I pray and hope na you are enjoying and fulfilling your dreams there. We all miss you and we hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday, Mikoy! More birthdays to come. Alam ko lahat ng pangarap mo matutupad, hindi lang para sa sarili mo, pero para sa inyo ni Nika. And alam ko magiging PR ka na soon. Kiniklaim ko na ngayon pa lang, yan ang best birthday gift mo. And alam ko mas marami pang exciting part na parating sa iyo at sa inyong relationship. So, stay strong. And alam kong marami pang pagdadaanan sa Canada at ng mga good and best part of your life. So, cheers, boss. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mikoy. We miss you and stay put.
Hello, Pogi. We miss you. Happy birthday sa inyo. Sana makauwi na kayo soon at magkita-kita na tayo nila kayo.
See you.
Hi, Mikoy.
Hi, Mikoy.
Happy birthday! Ang wish namin sana ay palagi kang maging masaya at malusog. At sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday. God bless you at sana ay matulog mo ang lahat. Ingat lagi. Happy birthday!
God bless.
Hi, Mikoy.
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Thank you sa pag-tour sa amin sa van.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Without you, there's no us. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
See you topside, bro.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mikoy.
We miss you so much.
Ingat dyan palagi. We love you so much.
God bless you, Mikoy. Ingat lagi. We miss you. We love you.
Happy birthday from Tommy. Love you. We love you, Mikoy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya.